Hi guys, today is the day 20 building in Notion. So I was mainly focused on databases, and the problem with databases is I had a lot of them. So I have three main databases. It's yearly overview, it's monthly goals, and monthly focus. And the problem is that I couldn't just copy and paste yearly overview and from this database create another months and another views, because in yearly overview I have properties from all other months because I want to have combined progress results from all the months. That's why I have to add July goals to July progress, August goals, August progress, and so on. So these properties just mess up all the view and I don't like it. That's why apart from yearly overview, I have to create separate databases for each particular month. But with monthly goals, it's easier because goals and because tasks are usually the same for each particular goal. So you just have to copy the task and assign it to the next month. And in this case, in that way, I'll have only one database with tasks that can be filtered and sorted in a way that I can view tasks for different months. So in result, I had 26 databases that are like yearly overview, 12 months of goals, and 12 months of tasks. Oh, so 25. But now we'll have only 14, which is much better. But yeah, this is the day 21, and I'll see you in the next one.